In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on automatically record meeting in Zoom. If you want Zoom to begin recording your meetings without having to manually click the record button each time, this setting can save you time and help make sure important conversations are captured consistently. The setup is quick and you can do it directly from the Zoom web portal. To get started, open your browser and go to the Zoom web portal, then log into your account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand panel. In that menu, find My Account, click on it, and then select Settings. This is where Zoom keeps many of the controls for your account, including meeting, recording, and privacy-related options. After you're inside the settings area, click the recording tab. This section contains the options that control how recordings work for your meetings. Under the general section, which appears first, look for the setting called automatic recording. On the right side of that setting, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn that toggle on to enable it. Once it's enabled, Zoom will automatically start recording when your meetings begin, depending on your account's recording configuration. This can be especially useful if you regularly host meetings, training sessions, check-ins, or interviews, and don't want to risk forgetting to start the recording manually. It's a simple setting, but it can make your workflow much smoother. If Zoom asks you to confirm the change, just approve it so the setting is saved. It's also a good idea to briefly review your recording preferences while you're already in this tab, just to make sure everything matches how you want meetings to be captured. For example, some accounts may use cloud recordings, while others may rely on local recordings, so knowing your setup can help avoid confusion later. And that's it. Once the automatic recording toggle is turned on, the feature is enabled for your account. From there, your future meetings should begin recording automatically based on your Zoom settings. If you found this helpful, you can use the same settings area in Zoom to explore more recording options and customize your meeting experience even further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.